Welcome to Nail Mansion, USA! Slightly, depending on the nail, because you need it. I know it's intense, and I know I've like talked you to death, but this is gonna feel amazing once you've done it, I promise you.
Do you have your scissors? Sure, he has them. So you cut them at the same.
You see how they cross over? Mm-hmm. Or you can raise it a little bit, so you allow you to do a lot of things. Yeah?
So say I don't like it.
So don't close it until you know. See how wide it makes it as well? You want to follow your natural smile and get rid of that edge. That corner, get rid of it.
Okay.
We're not about preserving the natural nail because we're not growing it.
I kept trying to like make it a squabble, but then my skin is in the way. I mean, it doesn't hurt, but I'm like, get out the damn way. I even took my little cuticle bit and tried to do it.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't hurt, but it's like I'm filing the skin and nothing's happening.
Oh, this. Yeah, just here.
Got it.
Awesome.
Then I'm trying not to stab you, so let me put my other fingers down.
Perfect. Thanks, Docs. Let's get on. Sorry, Ali. Water, glass, ice. Okay. Coke. Water for you, glass with ice.
Thank you.
Coke Zero for Melissa. Is that okay, Angel? There you go, my sweet girl. You're very welcome.
Take it off, do it again. Can you see, can you look at the form?
Yeah.
Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get it straight first, don't worry about anything else, just put her back on straight. Straighten the hand so it's straight with you, so your posture is correct. Introduce the form first, where you put pressure on those two tabs up there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply the pressure right here. That way we can kind of alleviate and move our fingers up. Now I'm up here. Now I'm gonna look, I'm gonna see if it's straight, okay?
I'm really proud of how well you've done because Jesus Christ, some of them nails were the size of Mount Everest. They really were. They were colossal. They were giving all ass. But I tell you what, it was there. It just needed a shitload of e-filing. But once you filed through with that e-file, it revealed it. It was like this beautiful nail was being born. And I'm so proud. So I want none of you to be hard on yourself. I want you to all be very proud because that is a really difficult nail to do. I could have done a totally different nail that wouldn't have pushed you. And I wanted to really push your skills. I wanted to push you and I wanted you to take home new skills that you can then perfect. I'm not asking for perfection today. Most of you, it's probably the first time you've ever done anything like this. And look how incredible you've done. So I want you to give yourself a round of applause because I think you've been absolutely brilliant.
It's been great. I learned a lot, made friends. I feel like you're on that last day of summer camp where you kind of don't want to leave, but we're adults and adulting is ghetto, so things have to end at some point.
I love all the girls here. Everyone has been very nice and very welcoming. And I just love all my girls. So I would tell you, if you come to Nail Mansion, they're gonna give you all of it. Like, there's no shortcuts. You're gonna walk away with new things to practice, new skills, new tips of the trade, different brands that are good at this and good at that.
Has everyone got them? Yeah? Those missing? Right, we've got a busy night ahead of us. Go get yourselves ready. Get your asses down here for food. And then we will do the final awards for Nail Mansion USA.
It's been a pleasure being here. Thank you for inviting me to be here to be your chef for Nail Mansion 2026. And you have all been a lovely group. I appreciate it. And safe travels tomorrow to everyone. And thank you.
The food has been great. Yeah, everything's been good every day, every day.
Are you just saying that because I'm right here?
I'm only here for the party. Trust me, we're just getting started. The sound, the vibe, I feel so alive. You're only here for the party. I might just get what I wanted. The sound, the vibe, I feel so alive.
A massive thank you for having the courage and the bravery to come to this absolute madhouse that is Nail Mansion. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to my staff when they actually did some work. Thanks for that. If any of you want to jump in the pool fully dressed, go for it. Yeah.
I'm only here for the party. Trust me, we're just getting started. The sound, the vibe, I feel so alive. You're only here for the party. I just get what I wanted.
Oh my God. Well, I don't have to ask twice. Jesus. Right, okay. We will crack on with the awards. I'm going to get emotional. Well, do you know what? It takes a lot to make me cry because I'm a cold, hard bitch who is dead inside. So we have an award for each day, which is the top tech. So we have Shally's top tech. Look at this trophy. Oh my God, it's stunning. So, Shally's top tech for performing absolutely amazing throughout the day and being a listener and very coachable and performing very well is Casey.
You guys put amazing effort into this weekend. I absolutely appreciated each and every one of you. And yes, I did hand select one of you guys who I felt really drove the box home, put your own flavor and personality and twist into it, and really dealt with my bossiness very, very well. Yeah, thank you, Donald. And so my top tech award goes to Ellie.
And today was my class. Thank you so much for being patient with me. And I tried my best to be patient with you, but Jesus Christ, guys, did you test me today? But I loved every minute, and I hope you guys did. I hope you all learned. And somebody stood out for me today because they went from here to here and I watch their progression throughout the class. It's not always about who did the best nail. Don't get me wrong, it's a beautiful nail. There was lots of beautiful nails. If it was just on beautiful nails, I'm sorry, but I don't think I could decide. The person that stood out for me today was Alison. A mental breakdown to actually bringing out a brilliant nail on you.
Oh, if it wasn't for you guys, I appreciate it.
Go on, okay, go on.
I appreciate you all. And Ellie, thank you so much for helping shape my nail. I gotta give you the props.
Got it.
Well done, Ali.
Thank you.
Well done, Alison. I am hot out here. We have an award for a rising star. I have spoke to the educators and the staff who have watched you on this journey, and we do have a rising star, and she's pretty fucking awesome, to be honest. The rising star is Kylie. So a Golden File Award goes to somebody who has been good throughout, shown good talent, grown throughout, has been coachable and is a very good nail artist and is bloody lovely duck. Drum roll please for the Golden File Award is Erica! You're consistently good throughout all the days. You listened. You didn't. You too. Sorry. Hold on a minute. My mouth and my brain weren't connected to You were very good with other people as well, and helping other people. So, well done. Thank you. Well done. Oh, photos, of course, yeah.
And she's also been murder mystery too.
She was on the best team, not
Yes.
Okay, your team, but your team didn't win, so.
Oh, we were down 3.
The cheek.
Like this.
So they are all the awards for tonight. However, well, like typical nail mansion, we don't stop there, do we? Because we all should celebrate with a cake. This is the official nail mansion cake. Do not drop it. Okay. Do not eat it like that either. We'll cut the cake. We'll do it in the kitchen because it's a bit more light in there. We can take better content, that's why. So anybody want cake?
Do you wanna?
I just got an award for the Rising Star from Kirsty Meakin. It's insane.
It's nice to be acknowledged and seen, and I try really hard to do a good job. So it's nice that she saw that. I thought she was joking. I was like, "There's no way."
Today we did extreme nails. which is how we ended up with this. Again, it took 4 people to get this paper form out. I should let it go, but paper form is still in here. It's a whole problem, but it's pretty.
Thank you for watching the Nail Mansion episodes. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and all that shebang. I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra, Doc!